Hi, myself Shubhra Shastri, and our project is Social Shout, and it is about the social networking site. And this project is made by me and my partner Shivam Thakur, uh, and this is a social networking site. In this site, it allows the people to create a public account and interact with other people uh, on the website. In this social networking site, users can create an account and communicate with the other people, and one can create post and all. And the technology is used for this project. For the front end, we used React and Redux and Bootstrap, and for the back end, we used Express.js, Node.js, and the JSON token and cookie parser, body parser, and then we uh, and we use the MongoDB for the database. And the problems we use during this project is main problem is we are faced the deployment issue during the deployment of the project to Heroku, and there's some other issues regarding database and all. And in the future we try to implement the commenting and like and unlike features for the post, and this is MVP structure project. And now I will walk through the project. This is the home page. This is the home page of the project. And if we go to the sign up here, user can create uh, here email address, and password. Yeah. If we use the only letters, that it authenticates that password must contain at least 6 characters. So if we use some other 2 letters, and password must contain a number, it shows the error. So we try to some numbers, then it will shows the new account is successfully created. Then please sign in. If we then go to sign in page, uh, we can sign in the same. The user is sign in. Then if he is sign in, he can directly go to the home page. He can see all the posts other users are uploaded and all. If we go to the uh, my profile here, such profile, and we can see followers who are the users are following me, and following I am following the users, and which are the posts I have here uploaded. uh, Uploaded. Then if we then go to the edit the profile here, we can edit my profile. If I can change my name to Shastri, right, and I can change my email also. The password and also, and then I can change my the avatar also. I can choose the photo from my gallery. and update. Yeah, here we can see the my profile pic is updated. If I go want to create a post, then I can choose any one. Then I can give any title. This is my post. Here, I can say my name of the post, my picture. My can go to that post. Yeah, here we can see the picture of my pic. And if you go to the home page, here also we can see the uploaded the post, and then we can go to the read more here. Here also I can see everything. This is about my picture post body, and here we can go to the back to the post, and this is about edit the profile and creating the post. And if we go to the users here, we can see all the users who are using who are all signed up for the site. Here we can see all the users. If we go to the profile here, the profile page, we can see the profile of that user, and who are following him and who is following, and the post here he is uploaded. Here we can go to his post, and we can see the post of uh, here post. Here we can see the post. If I want to follow him, I can follow here, and if I it will show here. Yeah, following. It shows here for who all are I following, and if I don't want to follow him, if I want to unfollow, I can unfollow him. If we go to my profile, that uh, here we don't see the anyone I follow, and here create post. If we can directly, if we once sign in, then we can directly go to the create post, and we can uh, post the anything. Want to see another profile, you can go to that. And if we go to here, read more for my, I can update my post here. If I want to update title, me, and if I want to change the body, I can update the post. Uh, here we can see that I change my post. If I want to delete the post, I can delete. Can say yeah. Okay. Yeah. Here we cannot see the post, and if you go to the my profile also, and here also we can't see the uploaded the post. Upload the, then if I want to, then we go here and find people. Here we can in this page we can see all the users, and if we want to directly follow them, we can follow them. Uh, It shows the message following prices and all. And if we go to the my profile here, uh, here you can see I followed ABCD and I follow. And if we want to sign out from sign out, uh, I am signed out. And if I can directly sign in, this is all about the project. And in the future, we are trying to implement the like and unlike features and commenting and uncommenting the features and private. If we go here, everybody can see everybody's post, but in the future we are trying to private that if the user follows another user, he can only see he can only see his post only. We are trying to implement in that feature. Uh, yeah, this is all about our project, and thank you.